Look out!
What do you think I'm doing? Yeah!
Bro, why do you look at Clank? Just speak while not looking. See, now you crashed. Women. Hey there, this is CeeKay and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are back in Ratchet Clank Rift Apart. This is episode 2. If you haven't already, go check out the first episode before checking out this episode.
Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Oh yeah.
All the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
We lost. We have no idea where Clank is. So yeah, we lost Clank. He's gone. No idea no idea where the hell he is. And yeah. So that's pretty much what happened in the last episode. We just did some stuff, got attacked by some goons, and then it was some like this. I forgot. It's just like teleporty thing. And then some weird shit happened. It exploded, it broke the timeline, it broke like the universes and dimensions and everything. It's called the Dimensionator. Attached bolt crank? What the hell? Oh. Okay.
Welcome to the nefarious city bazaar. Please
What? A
remember to
nefarious
support
city?
the marvelous emperor before, during, and after
Alright, so
your purchase.
the guy who like fucked up the thing is named Nefarious.
There are two nefariouses now?
Oh, what the hell?
Clank first, nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Glide. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. But anyway guys, if you haven't already, go smash the subscribe button for more Ratchet and Clank. And I would just love to make more videos like this. You guys seem to be liking these videos, so I'm gonna continue Ratchet and Clank for quite a bit. Hopefully I can complete the whole game before you guys lose
Wait a
interest.
second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
What the hell?
Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
What the hell is happening? Oh, there's her and Clank.
Clank!
Oh damn, she is a wonder though. If you did not see the last video,
How can I get off planet?
like,
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Phantom can help. Just
what the
follow
hell is this
Fancy
place?
Club Nefarious.
I just started the video and I don't even know what the hell is happening.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh,
Club
and
Nefarious,
nice
what the
work,
hell?
Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
Who is she?
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
Find Club Nefarious. Okay, that's what we gotta do. But smash the like button for more.
You need to earn the right to praise our emperor. Oh, great.
What? Just smash the like button for more Ratchet and Clank. Yeah, I need to do that. Alright, so I gotta go down there.
That sounds like a club, all right.
What? How can they go through? I gotta get to there. Can I go around? What the hell?
Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can.
What the hell is this? Oh, I found a Krager bear. Whatever the hell that is. Is that a V-Buck coin? Oh yeah, that's how I do this kind of thing.
Huh.
Oh,
Now I know what happened to the parade floats.
oh, this is where they went. So here's a giant clank float.
Miss you, buddy.
Oh, please don't. Alright.
We must have took the wrong path.
There's goons here.
Inflated one. I'm gonna match you in the shape.
They're so big, but they're so easy to beat. Boing. I'm getting so many trophies, bro. I took like 3 trophies for the Craig Bear for like entering this portal. And now for just like bouncing. Boom. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be here or not.
Look at that.
What is that thing?
And I think that covers everything.
I just got another trophy as well.
Nice.
Oh, I got a disguise. I'm supposed to go here to get the disguise. That must be it. Yeah, let me teleport there. Oh fuck. Oh. What just goes back through? So this is the map of the level to this. So now they think I'm a robot. So now I should be able to go through the door, right?
That sounds like a club, all right.
What? Do I have to? I think I have to change my whole body. Oh shit! I have to get the whole suit. Bouncers. Oh nice! They think I'm a thing. They think I'm a robot. Oh, we made it. Bloody hell! This base is like shaking my controller.
Is there a phantom around here?
What the hell?
Alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe first mission in forever and my cover's blown.
What the fuck? Oh shit!
Is Skid?
I remember that guy. I don't know. I didn't know his name was Skid, but like, I remember seeing him.
Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right?
Listen,
Mysterious dude
since
in
when
a
was this
hollow
guy?
Had to be Phantom.
Blow me uppy.
Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were.
No names.
Oh shit!
You gotta be smarter than that.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were.
No names. You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
What the hell? Where did he go? He's here. It's like he's waiting for me.
The resistance real of the club!
Where the hell did he go? What's it? He wall jumped up here. Which side though? Shit. Yeah, bye-bye, motherfucker. Where? Oh my god, why did he just like spawn out of nowhere? I'm getting the hell out of here. What the hell is this thing? Can't do this yet? Are you serious? Oh, look at me. All up here. Bounce. Bounce. It's not bouncing. Let me do it. Oh, I couldn't do it because I was in the battle. Alright, now it works. Come on, quick. How did he make it up here?
Please stop running. Is this some kind of test? It is.
I already knew how to double jump.
Wait.
There he is! The fuzzball from the club!
Oh boy.
Oh, what the
I'll
hell?
handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Another resistance member.
No.
I will make the effort.
Oh. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't too hard.
Need ammo, like a lot.
I thought these guys would be harder. Bro, what? Oh, I keep falling off for an accident. He's dead. Let me go through.
Nice
Now,
work,
where'd you go?
new guy.
Thanks. Shh. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
What the? You gave me some gauntlet thing.
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Oh, that's sick.
Can catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest.
That's how we made it across.
Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels.
Oh, let's go.
Even further, jump and Phantom Dash.
Oh, just barely made it.
I need a Royal Starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a Royal Starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
What the hell is that? Like, why the hell is this guy here? Like, who even is he?
I'll
And
make you a deal. You see that blimp?
yeah,
You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a Royal Starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop.
all
How
right.
do I get to that rooftop? I'm
Gotta
coming.
get there.
Just hang on.
My statue, remember nefarious later.
And is this something? I'm dead. Easy. Woo! I'm actually loving this. Like, it's actually so good. What? Oh. I'm not here. Oh, I thought I was supposed to go in that thing.
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the room? You should use that rare retaining
Can you
mineral
shut
box
up?
to upgrade your arsenal first.
Wait, what? What the hell is a neg?
Enemies with the near
Oh, what the
function,
fuck?
and it is called
The Negatron Collider.
It does sound like Chaos though from Skylanders.
Thanks again for.
Oh, this is an elevator. I didn't know it was an elevator. Oh, now it's going down.
Oh man, those jets really come into the nexus of my sister board.
So you made it after all.
Nexus of the sister board. What the hell?
You can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers,
What the hell is this?
I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and
Why is
give
it
the
purple?
city a message it'll never forget.
This is supposed to be a spa. And it's purple.
Looks easy enough.
Sure, bro.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the Resistance.
So how much ammo does this thing have? Hey, mother. And you're dead.
Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Let me do this thing. Alright, there it is.
Wow, where'd you learn how to fly?
He's like a dinosaur, he has a tail.
Looks like I touched a nerve. Alright, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarius in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you
Okay.
expect me to get to the bazaar from here?
What's the bazaar? Am I supposed to be riding this? I don't even know. Can I just like glide all the way down there? No.
That'll work.
Alright, how do I ride this thing? Probably L1.
Alright.
Alright, sick.
Whoa, this is fast. Is head to
I
the
can
statue,
dodge.
use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso.
But this is so
I'm
sick.
on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
This kind of feels exactly like go-karting. It's like I was go-karting like just last weekend,
Sugar, I forgot to mention earlier.
and I like pushed that car to the limits. It was so fun.
Friends, maybe
And then yeah, it's here again. Do I even have any on me?
some sugar? Feel free
No, I
to
have none.
browse.
Negatron. I don't know if I want that or need that though. Oh fuck it, let's get it. Boom.
Emperor's unyielding luxury.
Alright, that's sick. That's actually really sick. Does this thing have infinite ammo or does it just like charge up? Okay. So I just wasted like so many shots. Oh yeah, now I can jump over here.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
What the hell?
Where did you even come from?
Alright, I have a laser as well. Okay, it's actually not doing that much damage. What the?
Enjoy this deadly laser, rebel!
Oh, nice. I got some ammo.
What the yikes, yikes, yikes!
Let me go. Let me go. Oh, where the hell am I?
Wow.
What the hell? Oh, he's.
Oh no.
We just went to a different realm.
Glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die.
No. I'm good.
Can't take much more.
Oh shit. I actually can't. Wait, I just keep getting ammo. Where the hell is he? Oh, that was a waste of ammo. Come on, I need to hit all these shots. Oh no, I'm only 5 health.
I will
Not again.
Oh,
At least it was a round trip. Come on.
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
sure you are, buddy.
Prepare for incineration.
Bro. What do you think you're doing? Let's go. Oh no, I wish I leveled up
Now I
the
can finally plug Glitch into
the
this
Negatron.
access console.
This game feels easy. What? What did I put? What did I put the difficulty on? Rebel agent. Okay, let's try resistance leader.
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
What the hell? I thought she was like a... Oh, she's a little robot thing.
I probably just have to delete some files, and then you'll be all set.
Oh, this is actually sick.
Nefarius is here? I don't have the training for this. Electroguns, please don't fail me now.
Why does he sound like this? I wish he just didn't talk.
Virus pod sucking energy from the computer. Hey, the infection is starting to clear. Good.
Okay, that's good.
I guess I can try to take out the rest now.
I wish he would shut up.
What's with the capsule? Did a virus make that? The swarmers are coming out of that pod? Oh no. I gotta
You mean capsule this thing?
more outnumbered.
Health, nice. Why did they have to make this thing speak? Oh my god, these things are actually disgusting. Is this what's in my computer? Here's the last one. Bye bye, buddy.
Takes care of the rest. I did it! Oh man, I really... Wow. Anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
They really didn't need to make a voice actor for that.
You did it, Glitch!
They really didn't. It just kind of like ruins it, just like a cute little spider.
Majestic Majesty.
It could have just been robot controlled without a voice actor. Well, I'm fine with it. Who am I kidding? No, I'm not. I'm actually not. I don't know if I should be or shouldn't. Oh, this is where he was. At the end of the last episode.
Warbombs, 5 planet-destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted dimension.
Can't you just like, I can just use my Negatron thing?
Clank.
Huh?
What a dumbass. Oh shit. Go!
No!
Oh yeah, we got the ship,
I'm coming, Clank. Oh, no.
Oh, no way.
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Oh my god. That's just so funny.
Password, I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha
Bring me that lumber!
How the hell did that work? I went in space, nice. I wanna fly. This is like No Man's Sky. Sargasso. I wanted to fly there.
So then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarius, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarius is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! They... under attack!
The hell is this?
What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace
What the
your
hell is
impact.
happening?
Oh. Look out.
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Bro, why do you look at Clink? Just speak while not looking. See, now you crashed. Women. Oh, I'm playing as her now.
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take
Okay,
you to
guys.
but first,
That was a hell of an episode. But, do I have the same stuff? Oh, let's go. I actually have the same stuff. Okay, this is good. Oh, you can quick do it. I never knew this. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. That's gonna have to be the end of today's video. Cause we're on a completely different planet. Like that has to be the end of today's video. Cause I've been recording for like 30 like or 40 minutes or something. What? Did I even get hurt by? Okay, forget it. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And smash the subscribe button to become part of the Before 50 gang. Because we're trying to get to 50 subscribers. We're at 45 right now, so I'll be great. It would be really appreciated if you guys could go down below and hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, why not hit that like button for more Ratchet and Clank? I love making these videos, and I know you guys love watching them. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm CeeKay, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot.